And now the India of Singapore is the Little India, where many Indians hang out. There are some more shops right here under the HDB. Surprisingly, it's all Indian shops, man. Oh, but there's one. Okay, this looks nice. Passport photo, all countries, the 7 dental surgery. But even then, the words below the surgery, there's some Indian words. Oh, Shifa Clinic. Walao, it's a bullshit the clinic, man. There's a big Indian temple opposite where I'm standing. This Berlioz Lane, and there's some HDB over there. The temple is open, that's why it's so crowded now. You know what? The jewelry shop is very colorful, and it's Ganesha right there. Wow, look at that. I would say 99% are the Indians, right? So this temple is Sri Veeramakaliamman Temple. It's part of the Little Indian Heritage Trail. And this side looks like the wooden things, and here it is. Better remove your footwear and leave it outside the temple. Wearing shoes allowed. Dress appropriately, and the night puja is 9 PM. Another one before that is 6 PM and so on. Wow, look at that. Hotel just next to temple, Hilton Garden. Nice restaurant. Wow, more barber shop here. Actually, walking to the Mustafa Center, 24-hour shopping. Let's check it out. Mandra Coffee House. Wow, there are 4 police cars here. We're 300 meters away from the Mustafa Center. You should round the corner anytime. Mango, 1 kilo, $9. Oh, these are the Indian coffee shops, man. Indian alleyways. The coconut is a favorite drink of the Indians here. What do you guys think then? We are looking for a place to stay called the Royal India Hotel. And just downstairs there are lots of good food here. I mean the seafood India. And near the Mustafa Center I saw it. Look at them, happy diners. Over 30 of them, including some Chinese. Lava Center, we arrived. Wow, they sell some cheap sleeper, one for $12. You guess what? We lost my way now. Either India is too huge, too big. So use a Google Maps, guys. Wow, this is Dunlop Street. I walk until I come to this Indian Heritage Center. Wow. Wow, over 100 luggages here, $25 to $40. It's a bargain. There's a peacock feather, right? Wow, little t-shirts, man. Ganesha t-shirts. So some fruits here. It's nice. Oh, there are more accessories here. Jewelry. This is the Campbell Lane. Oh man, I just saw some smoke. I think that is some kind of religious practice. Buffalo Road. Little India. One of the most colorful streets in Singapore besides Chinatown. In fact, I think it's more colorful. I think the Indians like colorful stuff, be it the clothes, jewelry, and maybe the food. So now this is the playground. Oh, there's a buffalo in front. And then there's a king on top or something. With a flower on the horns. I think it's something somebody respect, right? There's a little Indian arcade over there as well. And right here at the Tekka Center, one of the hawker center at the Little India area. The time is already 9 PM, but also store are still open. It's a busing area. You can buy the Indian prata and some of the rojak here, the drinks, as well as the many snacks. So I walked to this Tekka Center already, and the MRT is very near now. 662 Buffalo Road. It's a nice tour today. By the way, I've done a channel for this Tekka Center food tour. Walk through, take a look.